Hi, this is Dr. Shweta Arora. I'm Masters in Physical Therapy. I'm a Department Head of Physiotherapy in Dr. Levine Memorial Hospital at Sarjapura Road. So labor pain is sometimes very confusing, and people they have a lot of phobia about labor pain and when will it come and how will it be and all those things. But there is a way in which you can differentiate between a false labor and a true labor. True labor is always a rhythmic and a regular process, right? Pain will come for few seconds and then it will go off. Then again it will come in 20-25 minutes of interval. So that kind of pain will be in a very regular pattern. So you have to study the pain. For example, if you have any kind of a crampy kind of a feeling in the abdomen or in the back, you should study that pain. You should see or observe that pain, and whether the pain is coming in every 20 minutes. If it is happening like that, you should immediately call to your caregiver or a doctor, and you can just inform your condition. But if the pain just comes in the abdominal area or in the back area, it just comes and then for 5-10 minutes the pain stays, and then it does not come for another 2 hours. Okay, then you should not be worried about, and you should see the pain pattern for 12 hours. If the pain is not coming, then that means it's a false labor pain. That's also called as Braxton's Hicks contractions. So you should not be worried about that. So early labor will always be it's a very long process. So don't panic. You'll have ample of time to go to the hospital. So just study your pain, observe your pain, which kind of pain you are getting, and then you will understand that you are into a labor, true labor or a false labor.